Guys, have you prepared a white dress for Bainia tonight?
Yes, I already prepared as much as yesterday.
Me too, and you not?
I would like to wear all this because not yet washing.
Who wear all dress? Your dress is probably pale.
Oh, exactly. Oh wow, why is your dress is so white? You would wear the orange shirt?
Yeah, that's because I use a washing machine that can clean out all the dirt, fast dye, and save time in the washing.
Oh, very cool.
The hand washing machine will help you to be more comfortable because no matter how much your clothes are, you can wash them with the hand washing machine. There are advanced technology with inverter systems that help you save energy. Beautiful design with quieter operation than the previous washing machine. Helps to preserve the fabric. Can be washed as many times without changing the water. Moreover, can also be dried in the same machine, which is suitable for people who don't have time. Because you don't need to dry clothes in the sun, but will use the dryer to help you dry the fabric, which iron immediately. Ready to go to party tonight?
Yes, sure. Let's go.